Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to search for a store on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone, and at the home page at the top of your screen you should see search in bar, so that's what we need. And if you want to search for a store on AliExpress, you should know exact name of the store. So enter your name of the store, press search, and go to first item that pops up, and under the photos right here tap name of the store, and this is the page of the store that I have searched for. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.